the new ULT condensing unit, a new innovative product in Secop medical portfolio. Could you please explain the scope of this new solution?
Sure, I can. It is really one of the cornerstones in the new medical setup at Secop. It is a box which was driven out of the need for COVID vaccines in rural areas. The challenge was on here. Today there is no really active boxes which can fulfill that demand. So Secop took up that challenge, and over the last 2 years we have developed that with a team of competent engineers, the partners and so on. And today you see it is able to operate down to minus 86 degrees, which is important for the COVID vaccines. So everything is right now being launched here, and this is really a challenge and a really great stuff to be here today presenting it. Helmut, something to add to it?
Yes, thank you. For this, it was necessary to develop special medical compressors who can fulfill all the challenging requirements for ULT cooling, and also the full cooling system. We call it condensing or refrigeration unit, and then the challenging and good cooperation with the customer with medical to set up this box for future.
Which are the main features of this innovative solution?
Absolutely, I would love to. The main feature, or the challenge technical wise for this one, was this box, it needs to be able to operate out in rural, very rural areas. And we talk about deep, high temperatures, dust, everything, and then they need to be able to maintain a very stable temperature around minus 86 degrees. So the whole challenge was actually to create a unit which was good enough and able to be robust enough in extremely challenging environments. That's really the technical core of this one here. Helmut, a little bit more details about what we have inside and how we did it.
Thanks. It was necessary to set up a two-stage condensing unit that we consider as the most reliable system to cool down from this 43 degree ambient to the very low temperature of minus 86 degrees Celsius. But we also designed and developed a balanced system that is dedicated to run for a long lifetime, to withstand all the environmental influences like the high temperature, but also, as you said, dust. It is IP54 protected. So in the end, we have a system that is for long life, for challenging environments, and will be able to guarantee access of undeveloped countries to these good vaccines.
Yeah, and we also need to add to it actually that we, in order to make it sustainable for the long term, we are using purely natural refrigerants of course, because that is the nature of it, that it needs to be long term, it needs to be the long term solution for ultra low temperatures here. So that's really a little bit the technical details around this one here. Robustness, using natural refrigerant, and ensuring that we have enough cooling capacity to maintain freezing temperatures at minus 6 degrees.
Which are the core benefits customers and end user can obtain with the ULT box?
There is one very clear benefit. It is really that we are ensuring this is an active cooling box, meaning in the rural area you can add cooling capacity to it. Compared to a passive box which is using dry ice typically, this box can actually ensure that the temperatures are kept stable out to the last mile, out to the last countries, out to the last places in the world actually. So that is really the core benefit of that product here. It has the possibility to both be used for normal shore power to 20 volt, but also 24 volt can use by a battery pack, later a solar system, etc. So that is down to the core of it.
And finally, for the end customer, the people in undeveloped countries, they have finally an efficient vaccine that is cooled all the time on the right temperatures and is not wasted. That's the main benefit. Thank you.